Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In my C++ complete series with programs examples, this is my fourth tutorial, program number 4, in which write a program to input three integer values, compare the three values to find out if they are equal, use nested if statement and print the message all values are equal. If they are equal, otherwise print the message these values are different. In this program we use the nested if statement. So let's understand what is nested if statement. When an if statement is used with another if statement, it is called nested statement. It is called nested if statement. The nested if statement is used for multi-way decision making. The syntax of nested if statement is if condition 1 with another if condition 2. In this syntax, if the condition 1 is true, the control shifts to the next if statement and the condition 2 is tested. And if the condition 2 is true, the then statement 2 is executed. The control will pass to statement 3 and this statement will be executed. Let's say if condition 2 is false, then statement 2 is skipped and the control shifts to the statement 3 and it will be executed. The if statement for testing the condition 2 is with another if statement. This if statement is called the nested if statement. Now let's make a program. In this, I take three integer values from the user and make three variables of data type int, in which the user will enter first value, second value and third value. And I make if statement with condition A is equal to B and with nested with another if statement. If A is equal to C, then C out all values are equal. If this is false, as C out these values are different. No, let's compile and run. uh, Enter the first value 3, enter the second value 3 and no, enter the third value 3. No, it executed and print the all values are equal. When in first condition, if A is equal to B, then it shifts to the next if statement and it also check if A is equal to C, then it execute the all values are equal. No, enter the I enter different values. Let's say I enter the first value 2, uh, 3 for second value and 3 for fourth value, third value. No, these values are different. No, when the condition in first if statement, when A is equal to 2 and this condition is not satisfied and it print the these values are different.